maybe get a couple for each other.
What? No.
You're giving out. He has a bucket load of swords next door.
Alright, we're the 4th graders. You guys are the 6th graders. So.
Yeah, the better people.
No, we're
We're the
better.
nicer people.
Alright, you're trick or treat.
Oh, thank you. I'm sorry. That's okay. You were next. There you go.
Thank you.
Oh, what's those bags?
Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you.
Thank
All right, guys.
Have a good night.
How you too?
Thank you.
All right, what are the red, white, what are the banners for? What are you?
There's these candies called Airhead Extremes, and they're like little rainbow strips.
Oh, that's what
Yeah.
you are. How creative.
Trick or treat.
Oh, those sparkles.
Thank you.
I'm just grabbing. All right, you were here first. I'm going to get you. Okay.
Best for last.
Darth. There you go.
Hi.
Oh, hey there! We're such girls.
We gotta do the old Quanta basket thing again. That was so much fun.
Oh, I have here.
Hey, I got an email. I'm gonna send you.
Uh-oh. Something I did wrong?
No, it's just Boston.
You get another one.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to get that one?
Really? I want to see it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I'm sure I will.
Hi there. Did you get yours yet? You
Okay, good.
Did I totally miss who you're with here?
This is my only one.
Oh, okay.
This is my little
Oh,
granddaughter.
I was talking about you.
Hey, sweetie.
Okay. All right. Well, you better get going. There's lots more candy.
All right. Happy Halloween.
Bye.
Rapunzel.
Okay, they started grabbing. I had to fight back. No, wait a minute. Hi. Oh, scary skeleton.
Happy Halloween!
Oh, and another pretty.
Thank you!
Oh, you're welcome.
Happy Halloween!
Thank you.
Happy Halloween. Be careful. Hi.
Oh, I already been here.
Oh, have you? Okay. Hey, Jessica. You're honest.
Hi, trick or treat. Buttermilk snacks. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, you can give him house. That's fine.
There you go.
Thank you.
There you go.
You have 3 deer in your backyard.
I do. We have them all the time.
Trick or treat.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
I like your costume.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Goodness gracious.
Thank you.
You're welcome. We have 3 deer in the backyard. You hear that? Nice costumes there. Oh,
Thank you.
happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Thank
I
you.
like your pumpkin so much.
Oh, thank you. Oh my gosh. I like your costume.
Thank you.
Oh, who do we have here? Oh my
You want to tell her who you
gosh.
Statue of
Statue of
Liberty.
Liberty.
There we go.
I kind of guessed that one. Come on, let's get you
With a sword.
There you go. Yeah.
There you go.
Go figure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Thank you.
Mother's always very good.
Ah,
Thank
are you eating? Big sneeze. Hi, girls.
Hey, guys.
I got pink one. Yes.
She's a kid on the inside.
Oh, yes. Oh, well, enjoy it. I'm the rebel. They got chocolate and I got a ring pop.
You don't brag about that.
Yes, I do.
That's behind that pickup.
Trick or treat.
Hey,
You're working more at home, I hear.
my office is out of the house, but I'm.
Oh, my gosh. Look at
Trick or treat.
all these great costumes. How fun.
Thank you. Trick or treat. Trick or treat.
Okay. There you go. There you are. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So you're
Thank you.
Thank you.
I think you look like a princess.
Thank you.
Comes in there too.
Gotta say
Hi.
trick or treat.
Oh,
It's okay. It's okay to stand right
come
there.
on, you stand right there. Oliver.
I know.
Oh, hey, I play tennis with you. Yes, hey, how are you? Hi. Cute kids.
All right.
There you go.
Want a pop?
Love
All right.
to.
We'd love to.
Okay.
We'd love to. You got it.
Halloween.
Hey guys.
There you go.
Trick or treat. Trick or treat.
Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh, like those boots?
Thank you.
Yeah, get up.
Not
Samantha.
Willy. Not Willy.
It's a tough evening.
Oh, tough evening.
Yeah.
I know. Hey, where is your bed?
She has
Oh,
I don't want it.
Well, then I guess we know who gets the candy.
Thank you.
oh.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good night, guys.
Hey, you too.
Oh, where's your bag? Let me put it in your bag for you. You'll drop it. There you go. Thank you. Hi.
All right, man.
Oh, boy. Okay, missed you. Come on. Put your bag up here. Let me get it in. Oh, like the costume.
Thanks, man.